News Army. The highest court of India will hear a case against the release of 11 men who gang-raped pregnant Muslim women. The Supreme Court of India will hear a plea challenging releasing 11 Hindu men convicted of the gang rape of a pregnant Muslim woman during the 2002 Hindu-Muslim riots in the western state of Gujarat last week. Dozens of women in Mumbai demonstrated against their release on Tuesday, carrying signs demanding justice for the victim, who said last week that she had not been informed that the men would be released, which shook her trust in the judicial system. Her 3-year-old daughter was among those slain in one of the most violent religious riots in India. The majority of those killed during the violence were Muslims. Sybil said that the court has consented to consider their plea for public interest litigation for the prisoners to fulfill their entire life terms. There is currently no established date for the hearing. Critics argue that releasing the prisoners violates the government's proclaimed objective of supporting women in a nation with countless recorded violence cases against them. Authorities in the Panchmahals area of Gujarat freed the men on Monday, considering their time since their 2008 conviction and their conduct in prison. A top Gujarat state official in charge of the release said that the prisoners had served 14 years in prison and were released after the Supreme Court ordered authorities to examine their request for clemency under a 1992 remission program. The months-long unrest began when a train carrying Hindu pilgrims caught on fire. Hindus charged Muslims with starting the fire that claimed the lives of 59 pilgrims, while Muslims said the train assault was part of a plot to target their group. Several Muslims were found guilty of the train assault. At the time of the riots, current Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi was Gujarat's chief minister, and his Hindu nationalist Bharatiya Janata Party continues to govern the state.